Hey guys, it's the Black Hiking Queen. Today I'm doing another hike and I'm gonna take y'all with me. So today I am hiking at the Elm Fork Nature Preserve, and this is located in Carrollton, Texas, and I'm gonna take y'all along this hike with me. So this is actually my first time on this trail. I really love that there's a lot of trees here, so it's pretty well shaded. Definitely giving me a lot of shade from the sun. Right now I'm doing the Elm Fork Trail, and it's super short. It's a little less than a mile loop. But yeah, we're gonna check this place out and see what it has to offer. Thank you guys for all of your support on my channel. I really do love taking y'all along with me on all my hikes, and I appreciate all the support. It's very green here because spring definitely brought a lot of new growth. As you can see, everything is very green, and I really love it. There goes a sign that is warning me about snakes, and definitely not trying to run into any snakes, so I'm gonna keep walking. But I really hope you enjoy this video, and if you do, give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you have not already subscribed to my channel. So I am trying out these new shoes that Meryl sent me, and They feel really good. They are very, very soft. I feel like I'm walking on a cloud. And so far so good. This is not sponsored by Merrill, just some shoes I'm trying out and I actually really like. So it looks like I have reached the part where the water is at. Let's see. Just want to make sure that I'm still on the trail and not somewhere else. So this is the pond area of the preserve, and there is a bench over here you can sit and just enjoy nature, so that's really nice. As you can see, this entire trail is pretty much shaded and covered by all the trees, which is amazing, especially because this is Texas and it gets ridiculously hot in Texas. So this is a nice, quick, short, easy trail. Definitely one that you could do with your kids if you wanted to. But come check this out if you're ever in Carrollton, Texas. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel to keep up with all of my outdoor adventures, and I will see y'all on the next hike.